Good morning, boys and girls. So I knew that you've been working really hard. I saw that your hard work was coming through with all the work that I saw. I also saw that you showed me your plants, that they were growing. And today what I'm going to do with you is we're going to do the Sing With Me chart. I'm going to do the alphabet cards, and I'm going to do sight words, okay? So you already have the story. The trucks roll, that story you already have. I already read it to you, so you can go back and play that again. But I'm just going to do a little bit of review, all right? But if you have any questions, parents, please feel free to reach out to me. You know that I'm always available, okay? So hopefully you guys have a great day. I don't know if it's going to rain or not. I'm hoping it's not as bad as yesterday. Yesterday was a really rainy day. So today I'm going to play The Trucks Are Rolling. And remember, we sing this in class a lot because it has a lot to do with the story. So let me play it.
Trucks are rolling, trucks are rolling. What do you see? What do you see? Truckers' horns are blowing early in the morning. On their way, on their way. Trucks are hauling, trucks are hauling. What do you see? What do you see? Trailers filled with cattle, cabs that bump and rattle. Haul away, haul away. Trucks are moving, trucks are moving. What do you see? What do you see? A steering wheel turning, headlights burning, driving away, driving away.
All right, guys, so we just played that. And so this is the story of the week. So it's called Trucks Roll. I hope that you read that with your parents as well. And it's all about transportation. Can you say that word, boys and girls? Transportation. Okay. So the words that we went over are the word trailers. So these are the trailers of the trucks. Haul is to carry something. The truckers are the people that drive the trucks. The cabs are the front part of the truck. The steering wheel is what you use to drive the truck. And the headlight is what gives light so you can see where you're going. So now we're going to go over our alphabet cards. I do this every single day with you. So let's go over them. So this is a letter. Say it. G. P. O. M. Now let's do the sounds. I think it's more important. M.
1, 2, 3, 4.
W. W. B. 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 C. K. K. Say it along with me. D. 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 E. 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 S. S. F. I. E. 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 L. L. J. 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 Q. Qu. 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 K. 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 R. T. 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 U. H. V. 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 N. 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 A. X. 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 So some of you already know you're asking me what that KS sound is. That's the X. Z. Z. Y, y. G, 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 g. P, 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 p. Did I do this one already?
You didn't do the sounds.
O, M, M. Okay, good. So the letter that we are working on is the letter U. Do we see? Where is that U? Let me see. Tell me when to stop. When to stop when you see the U. Tell me when to stop. You know what we do in class. There it is. Good. So this is the U. We go up, down, curve down, back up to the top. Lowercase starts in the middle line, down, curve, up, and then a little line down. So that sound is up, up, up. There it is. U, umbrella. All right, so let's see. What other words can we think of U? Up, umbrella, under. So those are the letters. Okay, boys and girls. Now your turn. You're going to read out these sight words as I show them to you, okay? A. So you say it. C. Look. Oop, upside down. Where? For. Was. Little. I. Sorry, boys and girls. One. Good job, boys and girls. Go ahead, read it. 3. Have. The. Like. 2. He. You. Of. That. They. Am. 5. 2. Yellow. Come. Me. She. We. Are. My. Is. With. For. Do. From. Here. Go. Green. Blue. What? Said. That's a hard one. A. C. All right. So we did all the other ones, right? We're going to stop right there. And then I'm going to try to do that every single time. The more practice, the better, okay? Moms and dads, if you want to do flashcards, you can do that. You can just go ahead and put them on index cards if you want. And just practice their sight words with them all the time. Remember to keep practicing. I saw your beautiful hearts yesterday. I'm going to be working on my heart today. Yesterday I didn't get a chance to. I had to do other things. I did end up going to the classroom and get some things. That's why I have all my stuff here with me today. But I saw your beautiful, beautiful hearts. I saw a lot of you lost teeth, like Ella. I saw you lost your tooth. So I'm going to work on mine today. So the last thing we're going to do today is we're going to do, Mr. D'Souza, if you can pause. So boys and girls, so these are the numbers. I want you to know your numbers completely, okay? And if you're having a hard time with math, please let me know, okay? I'm here to help you out with whatever you need. So let's count to 100. 1, 2, count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Let's count by tens. Do it with me, boys and girls. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Awesome job. So continue with what you're doing, boys and girls. Have a great day. Love you. Mwah.